What's up, guys? Wow, what's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we are doing, yes, we're installing the good old Spec headlights. I got them off Amazon, new for like $350. Got them on sale. They went back on price like $4 something, but I got them for the sale. And look at this, my riggy setup. I don't have another 10 mil, so I'm using the back of a 3/8. Literally the back of this, and then I'm just putting it up there because you need to remove a bolt here. You need to remove this. Obviously here, other one's held on by zip ties, and you can turn your wheel like this to actually get access to the bolt right in here, which goes right there. But it should be a pretty quick install. Just gotta take off the front bumper. Sadly, I mean, it's not too bad, and yes, we're back in the parking garage of my little area, so just so I have light, just in case it takes a little too long. But yeah, let's get it. Also, guys, I forgot to mention that you really want to take this off so you don't snag the cable, and what you do is, there's a little clip back here, right here. You should see it, just push it like so. And it should pop out. There we go. Pop out like this. And then you just gotta twist it. And that way it comes right out and you're not gonna worry about it. This is cracked. I'm changing this soon, but yeah, that's just another tip for you guys. Be right back. Guys, also I wanted to mention, make sure you turn your wheel. Also, my other side didn't have a wheel wells, but I'm ordering a new one. And you gotta take off some clips in here. This should be along here, but you know, mine kinda got a little messed up. But we're not gonna talk about that. We are gonna talk about how dirty my car is, though. This is terrible. Oh my gosh. After I put these headlights in, and also we're gonna double install today, boys. Because we're gonna have another video of installing something else. Also, a big tip. Make sure you guys use JB Weld gasket maker, 100% silicone, so you can seal your headlights. It's definitely big if you don't have inner wheel wells, like so. You want to make sure they're sealed because they will condensate really bad. So make sure you JB Weld gasket maker them, and you should be solid. But yeah, let's get back to the install. Now we're gonna take off this. We're gonna move this back here, and then yeah, and that's about it, boys. Should be pretty easy. Let's get it. You guys you can watch me struggle to take this little clip off. I love how I said you're gonna watch me struggle, and I just get whatever, bro. We got the bumper off, boy. Okay, now we're gonna take the official bumper off. This John is disgusting, man. Disgusting. It's terrible. But we're done. We got it off. We're chilling. Time to get this thumbnail. You feel me? But yeah, we got it, boys. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely didn't watch a tutorial on how to do this at all. So I'm gonna be winging it. Let's see if we can figure out how to take this off real quick, boys. Let me angle the camera. There you go. Let's see if we can not Oh, I see. It's 210s. 210 mil right here. So there's one there and there's one here. So I'm assuming that's for both sides. So here's a light. 1, 2, and I'm assuming this should pop out. We'll see. This is gonna be a struggle because this is my 10 mil. It's not a long socket. We're gonna make it work, boys. Let's get it. Let's see. That's a good old trick. Just your hands, boys. Oh wow, it's just a through bolt, so pretty dope. Here's my pocket. Take my keys out. See if we can get that other one. I didn't know that could come off. What the hell? Is this not a... Oh man, this is... Got that off. Pocket. There's nothing else. I'll figure it out. I'll be right back. For anyone wondering, there's this bolt right here. That has to be taken out as well. So all these are 10s, just so you know. Super easy. Let me just low-key kind of hard with one hand. Should be able to do it with one hand now. Sir, we got it. Sheesh. Y'all hear that sound? That's my boy pulled up. He came by, but let me get this off real quick. Let me not bore you guys. Be right back. Yeah. Alright, we just took these off. Now for the new babies. Out with the old, in with the new, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get it close. I'll be right back. Alright boys, let's see if it actually turns on. Let's go boys. Woo! Will it work? Now, wait, now put on high beam and let's see what that, what is that? That's tough. Yeah, I just don't have the, I don't have the top one. how to make them work. But damn, bro, it works. Yo, boys, we back. We did it. We put them in, boys. We got some black Spec D's. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but yeah, we put that in too. I just use a screwdriver to put them in. But yeah, boys, my car is dirty as hell. Woo! Oh man! Can we get a cold start for the boys? Eesh! I got you, boys.
I respected saying how I like your work or whatever that is.
Yes, sir.
And visualize things coming to me that I wish I wanted or whatever. Drive a whole thing like it.
Get my GoPro on the drum. Sorry about the mess.
I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years. There are 3 years. And I dated in Thanksgiving 1995, just before Thanksgiving 1995.
Chill. All right, boys. I gotta show you. Oh, wait, let me show you the turning signal. There's a left turn signal. Pretty clean, not gonna lie. Right turn signal, boys. Jeez. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a pretty easy install, not gonna lie. It took maybe, what time is it? It took like 2 hours. That's because I didn't have the right tools or anything, but we still got it done, boys. Super happy about that. Make sure you guys go watch my last video of the of just car guy things, just, you know, personality wise. You guys can see who I'm with, all that. Connect with me a little bit more. But make sure you guys smash that like button. Go rewatch all my videos. Go even watch my public interview videos. I make just random videos, but mostly cars. Hope you guys love me. Sorry, hope you don't love me. Hope you guys fuck with me, my bad. Cause I fuck with you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for like the 40 followers or subscribers, supporters I got from literally, I think this past 2 weeks. I'm super thankful for you guys. Let's keep growing. Let's keep building this fan base and this family. Sorry, not fan base. Let's keep building this fan base. Family, oh my gosh. Keep building this family. Let's keep going. Remember, grind till you shine, boys. Peace out. Sheesh. Damn. This John clean. Sheesh. But yeah, I just got to wash, boys.